In this video, I will show you how to configure Laravel Boost MCP servers with the open code. So in the last video, we had seen how to install Laravel Boost. So now if I open code here, okay, you can see that 0 MCP status. Okay, that means no MCP server is connected to our open code. So Laravel Boost does not work in the open code. So now let's configure MCP servers. Okay, first what we need to do is you need to go to opencode.json file and you can see this command. You can see Laravel Boost local and enabled is true. So it is enabled, but the command PHP artisan boost MCP, it does not work. So now if I just say how are you here, if I just give it any prompt, you can see here that the Laravel Boost MCP server and the error which it is giving me and the connection closed. So it is not connected. So we need to configure this as we have our Laravel application on Docker. So you can see these are my containers. Okay, I have installed this Laravel application on Docker. You can check my last videos where I show how to install Laravel 12 and a Laravel Boost as well, setting up a Docker environment. So now if I go here and if I go to Laravel app, execute ls, you can see the files listed here. So now what we need to do is in order to configure it, we need to give it the Docker command since the application is on the Docker. So first I will give it the Docker commands. Then also we need to give it the working directory. So, so you can see the working directory I have. If I show you my docker.compose.yml file, this is my working directory and this is my Laravel app. So let me include the container name and the working directory in opencode.json file. So if I go here just after this, I will put this. Okay. So expense tracker, because expense tracker is my application. Okay. You can see the expense tracker folder, and inside this folder, there is my Laravel application. Now I save this. Okay. And I close my open code. I reopen the open code. And now if I type, how are you, or some text, you can see here now that it is working and we are not seeing this error anymore. You can see here Laravel Boost connected. So you can see that our MCP server is now connected to the open code. So thank you for watching, guys. And if you have any queries, you can put it into the comments.